Hi, this is Gary with MACMOST.com. Let me show you how to use Preview on your Mac to cut out part of one image and insert it into another. MACMOST is brought to you thanks to a fantastic group of supporters. Go to MACMOST.com/Patreon where you can read more about it, join us, and get exclusive content. So the Preview tool on your Mac is great for looking at PDFs and also images, and you have a bunch of tools that you can use to manipulate those images. One of those tools is the Smart Lasso, which is one of the selection tools, and allows you to easily cut out part of an image and it will actually find the edge of the image for you. Let me show you. So let's double click this image to open it up here in Preview. And now we can edit it by using the markup tool. So I'll click up Show Markup Toolbar here, and I have the selection tools as the first tool here on the left. There are 4 different types of selections. You can do a rectangular selection. You can do an elliptical one to select an oval shape. You can do a Smart Lasso where you can define any selection you want. So I can slowly trace along the edge if I want, but it's going to be really hard to get something accurate there. It's going to take a lot of patience to draw it. Smart Lasso makes this a lot easier because what it will do is instead of actually drawing a specific border for the selection, it will give you this red zone where it's going to try to identify the edge. So if I click here and drag, you can see it gives me this red zone, and I can slowly move along and make sure I get the edge as close to the center of the red zone as possible. So I'll outline everything that I want to keep here. So along me and the backpack, and it's going to try to figure out where the edge is based on the pixels inside that red zone. So I'll go all the way down here to the bottom, and then I could just zip across the bottom there and up a little bit, and then start on my shoulder, and then along the side of my face and back up along my cap till I get to the beginning. Notice how it shades in the area that it should select. And when I release the mouse or trackpad, it's going to try to figure out where the edge is. And sometimes it's going to get it really well, like here. Other times it's not going to be as great. It's going to be a little rough sometimes, but sometimes it'll be extremely accurate. Now once you have the selection, you can copy it and do various things with it. Like for instance, I can do File, New from Clipboard, and it will actually put a new document up there with just the selection. So this is transparent here in the background, and I could save this, and this is actually great to use inside of, say, Pages, because then this is seen as a transparent area. But if I want to paste this into a other image, so I'll double click on this one here, I can do Edit and Paste, and there that image is on top of this one as a layer. I can position it. I can use the blue dots to resize it. And there I go. And you can do this with multiple images. So since I never go hiking without my dog, not even if I was going to the moon, I will include my dog here and cut him out. I'll copy there, go back to this image, paste, resize, and there. Now my dog's with me because he'll follow me anywhere. So this could be fun to use and useful, and of course you could do a better job probably with the tools in apps like Photoshop, but Smart Lasso works well enough and it is so quick and easy that I find myself sometimes just using this one tool in Preview even when I'm using a more sophisticated image editing tool for everything else. I publish new tutorials every weekday. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Then hit the little bell icon to get notifications for each new tutorial.